Stephanie and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing Valentine's Day cards. The stuff I use is my printer and the Cricut Explore 2. I feel like it's been doing me pretty well. I have yet to go and get my cards printed by a manufacturer or FedEx. And that's because I feel like the paper I'm using, it's from Epson. It's the premium matte paper. It just works really well. As you can see, this is one of my old designs that I did probably back in 2023. I drew up this little ghost with heels. I just love this little retro 70s look, and I was trying to think of a funny, clever phrase, so that is what I came up with, and luckily a lot of people liked it. It sold pretty well, but as you can see, the quality is really great. It's not bad at all. The crease is very well, it doesn't look too crazy, and it's just really good paper. I drew up a few different style designs, but one of them I was kind of testing earlier that I didn't record was for this piece. And I felt like it went perfect with the song by the Cardigans, Love Fool. And also it's kind of big queerdo little piece that I wanted to show some love to them. They need it a lot right now, so yeah. In this video you're going to see a little bit of the process of how I do it here at home, and it's really easy. Anybody can do it, plus it saves you some money. Okay, so the first thing I do is try and troubleshoot my printer. So as you can see, all clear. There's no little spaces that are missing. So nozzle check, or this is maintenance check. Okay, now this is for sure the nozzle check. The first one was the maintenance check, and it looks like there's no missing segments, so we're clear. So the next part I'll do is now do a collaboration for my Cricut machine. If you don't do this, it's fine, but I recommend it. It just makes sure everything is cut really clear, and also everything's printed very clearly as well. So it just makes for a better quality, item. Alright guys, so we're in Cricut Space. You can see I already have everything kind of laid out for you, but just to kind of brief you over on how I did it. Basically, when it comes to width, it's about 8.96 inches, and then height, it's 6.26 inches in height. So they are a little smaller, but to me they're still really cute. Now as long as I get a perfect cut and, you know, really clear quality image, I don't mind. And I feel like small cards are just as cute as a 5x7, so it really doesn't matter. It was something I didn't want to like overthink. Down here I got my logo and my little link tree here so people can scan and follow me. But yeah, just kind of basic but very cute. Again, I feel like with the white background and the image, it just makes it pop, and it's just well balanced. I feel like minimal can sometimes be fun. Sometimes. With the card color, since I have everything kind of set, I'm unable to kind of show you here, but basically you could change the card color to whatever color you want. And then from there, once you have this kind of sized out, you go back to the shapes icon, and there's actually a score line that you can use, which helps you kind of separate the rectangle into two pieces. So basically you'll drag it down so it kind of goes over the whole square, and then from here you'll highlight it, and then you'll go to the Align tab and click Center, and that brings it right into the center for you. Now when you actually do the printing, you can keep that there. I usually just delete it. But once you have your images laid out and they're separated, you can then delete it afterwards. But after that, I'll just attach it and, oops, sorry, down. After that, I'll attach it and flatten it, so then I can just print it and then just cut the rectangle out, which makes it really easy. Again, this is the basic rookie way to do it, but it works. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. As you can see, it's very clear. It looks super nice, and you know, just save money doing it at home. And to me, they just came out so great. With the Epson printer, Epson, now that I'm saying it correctly, you do have to adjust the settings, and I feel like with my reds, they're there, just not really. But luckily for these designs, I wanted something more vintage retro, so I don't mind that off-color red. But I just love the way they look. I did some stickers as well, and I think they came out really great. As you can see, we got this guy, and I only have eyes for you. And then I did this one as well. I love the like vintage acid wash type t-shirt designs, and I feel like I was trying to do that with this art design. It's like a tiki martini glass with a bunch of like garnishes, but it's got two little eyeballs to kind of keep it a little, you know, spooky. And I also did them in a holographic design. I feel like they look so cool. I think you could see it on there. And this one as well. For every purchase of one of these cards, you'll get a free sticker with it, but I will also have like sticker packs of the holograph as well as the regular ones as well. Well, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and until then, I'll see you on the next one.